Welcome to the RFC Race, a thrilling team-building journey that immerses you in the cinematic magic of Ramoji Film City. Discover the essence of Ramoji Film City as you and your team travel across this iconic destination, completing a series of exciting, movie-inspired challenges. Assemble your team and take on specific roles. Each team receives a thoughtfully prepared medical kit with snacks and beverages to keep you energized throughout the day. Plot your course. Launching from the hotel, teams will strategize and map out the most efficient route to cover each cinematic location within Ramoji Film City. Embark on your RFC adventure. Board your Thought-Bolt-provided vehicle and use our in-house app to navigate to each unique challenge. Experience the film city like never before with activities such as recreating an iconic movie scene, designing costumes from props provided, performing a blockbuster dance sequence, and crafting your own mini-movie trailer. Return to the finish. Work together to complete every task and race back to the starting point. The fastest team to return triumphs. Dive into the cinematic wonder of Ramoji Film City while fostering teamwork, creativity, and problem-solving skills in this extraordinary